Do you want to see me drop all the windows on this EV9 without entering it? Really quickly? Do you want to see me do it again? Hey everyone, my name's Gabby, and today we're talking about remote window control on your new Kia Hyundai vehicle. First things first, we're going to hop in and talk about what vehicles can do this and just how many windows actually will go down. Now, remote window control can either be enabled or disabled, and here's how you can find out either or. You'll head on over to your vehicle's main infotainment screen. In this case, we're running a Kia EV9, which has our CCNC software. This specific software can be found on most of our modern Kia and Hyundai cars, but there's a good chance your car may still have this remote window control, just the layout of the touchscreen may be a bit different. So the steps should still be relatively similar. You'll slide on over until you find your vehicle's setup menu, and then from setup, there should be a separate vehicle menu. Typically, our remote window control is found under the door submenu. Once you've found door, you'll slide down quite a bit until you see remote windows open, or open windows remotely. Completely messed that up. You can either toggle it on or off. Of course, with it on, the system will work. With it off, it will not. Now, just what windows go down when you use remote access really depends on your vehicle's equipment. This specific EV9 has full express windows. That means if I go to drop down our rear windows, simply pressing it once or one quick touch will drop the window down completely. And those are the windows that will go down when I use remote window control. So now that we know what windows are affected and how we can make sure the system is on, here's how you actually do it. You will of course need your vehicle's remote, and all you'll do is press and hold the unlock button for about 4 seconds, and then your vehicle's windows, equipped with the express function, will go down. If I want to stop it at any point, I just have to release the unlock button. And as you can see, they did not go down all the way. I've stopped them at this point. A lot of people also ask if there's a way you can remotely close your windows, and the answer is no, unfortunately. By pressing and holding the lock button, it will not close your windows, it'll simply lock your vehicle's doors. So if you do need to close your windows, you'll have to hop inside the vehicle and shut them off or close them up yourself. And you may be wondering, when would I ever use this? And the answer is probably not right now, considering we just had our first snowfall here. But it is quite handy come summertime if you want to let a little bit of that hot trapped air escape before you hop inside your vehicle. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.